Hi, my name is Ramesh Giri. I am student of Secure by Design 403 and I have enrolled in Masters of Information Technology Advanced. So in this presentation we are going to look at the case study project. So let's dive into it. So in this case study project it has three parts like request, retrieve and review. And in the request the password is encrypted and there is a secure encryption mechanism for password as well. I have used AES encryption model to encrypt the password and other things, and it also has the user rights management and user group. Like in user rights management, it checks for the users and give access to the user a particular data depending on the user. And in the user group usually represents the users like CEO, administrative user, or normal user, and so on. So in retrieve, there has to be a maximum field length for database field. For example, for name, there is 35 characters in US and 50 characters for other regions. And I have provided the mechanism for preventing field overflow as well as SQL query system for preventing code injection. And in the database, all the data fields are encrypted as well. So in the review, the there is a mechanism for maximum allowed number of login failures. Like users can attempt 3 login failures, and after that, user is redirected to other page or is blocked from using that app, depending on the security measures that have been taken in the app. And there is a storage and use of database credentials, and secure wildcard handling is there. So let's go into next slide and look at the request model. So in this, user tries to access or put the data in the database. He or she requests to the database, the name, address, and this encryption mechanism is used and secure the uh, uh, data and password and login credentials as well are also encrypted. And as I mentioned before, the user group and user rights are also defined, so who can access and uh, the particular data and so on. So in the retrieve model, user requests the request data from the database, like name, address, phone, credit card, and medical status, and that have been encrypted. Those data has been encrypted, and all the security measures have been set. And user request, it checks for the user rights and user group, and then it provides the data to the user. And in the review, usually there are three users. Like for normal users, they can only access name, address, and phone number. Other information are not uh, they are not authorized to or authenticated to access other informations from the database. And for accounting users, they are authenticated and authorized to access the credit card information as well, with name, address, and phone number. And there are privileged users as well. So they can access all the information because they are the privileged, and uh, these type of users are usually CEO or chairman, managers, and so on. In the accounting users are the group of financial people, and administration administrations and so on. And the normal users are the users like customers and others. So that's it for this presentation. Thank you.